Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are making beans and sweet corn, and there is a twist to the way this has been made that makes it absolutely irresistible. And please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos. Thanks. Now I've got my water a little bit warmed up and I added my sweet corn and my beans. Now the details of the quantity will be in the description box, so feel free to check it out. After adding my beans and sweet corn, I give it a little bit of stir just to have a balance. I'll be adding a little bit of water, so the water content is just a little above the beans and sweet corn. I go ahead and prep my pepper. I'll be using 2 bell pepper, 2 Scotch bonnets, and 1 onions. So I blend into a smooth consistency. This has been steaming for about 35 minutes. I'm just going to check it out. It already looks soft, so you can just still go ahead and check to confirm. I'll be adding my pepper mix, and as you can see, I am not adding too much water to this as I want my beans and corn to be thick. I'm going to add a tablespoon of salt, a little bit of water, and I cover it back for another 15 minutes. This is after 15 minutes and this absolutely looks beautiful. I'll go ahead and give it a mix, a proper stir, just to ensure everything is properly mixed together. I added some grounded crayfish and the palm oil that we've been eating up will be added. Hear the sound of that? Anyway, at this point, my food is as good as almost ready. I'm just gonna give it a proper stir and on low heat. I'll just cook for another 5 minutes and food is ready. So this is me just stirring together to ensure everything is properly aligned. And food is ready. So thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.